It's me again doing another makeup inspired by planets, and this time is Earth. And again putting my hair up. As usual, I'm using my Avon Glow On primer and put it all over my face with my fingers. Then I'm using my favorite Catrice foundation and I'm putting with Beauty Blender and blending it all up. I'm putting concealer under my eyes and on some places where I need it to cover my acne or lighten up my face. After that, I'm using my contouring palette, the lighter shade, as usual, to set my face up. I am mixing these two colors to fill up my brows. I'm starting by putting black color on the outer corner of my eye and blending it all up with the blue color. I'm mixing these two darker colors to make a perfect shade. In the inner corner of my eye, I'm using this light blue. Now I'm putting concealer on my eyelid to lighten up that part. And on top of that concealer, I'm putting this green color from the same palette. And I'm doing all the same with my other eye. Then I'm mixing these three brown colors and put it under my eye. And in the inner corners, I'm putting yellow color. Then I'm putting my mascara on both of my eyes. I mean, on my eyelashes. Then I'm contouring my face using the darkest shade from my contouring palette. Here I'm highlighting my face using Maybelline highlighter.
That's pretty good.
And for the lips, I'm using my favorite Maybelline liquid matte lipstick. And it's all done! Thank you so much! And see you guys next time! Bye!